you guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today we're gonna treat the timing and spacing problems in jazz guitar improvisation 6, mastering timing and space with a foot on a 2-4, foot tap on tune 4. Sounds way more complicated than it is, but this thing has a really lot of meat on it, even if it looks like nothing. I'll show you what we're gonna talk about today. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so on and so on. It looks like nothing, but in fact that's the whole world, at least from my perspective, of jazz. In any other genre, timing is and rhythm is maybe 50% of the music, but in jazz I would say it's even 60 or 70%, and the phrasing and the really cool, relaxed, laid-back phrasing comes with a foot and on 2-4. And if you want to create really cool lines with only little notes, then you need to be a master of time and phrasing. Timing and phrasing with foot tap and tune 4 is so important. That's why I created this backing track here for you guys. Here you have just a hi-hat at the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first thing to do is get into the 2-4 vibe with your foot or with your whole body. By the way, this is really, that's why it's the color violet. It's really a spiritual practice. If you want to master time and space in jazz, it's like you're just floating between the bars. You know, probably you know Miles Davis. He was the master in this, and that's what we want to achieve. Get into this direction. And it's not a matter of being technical, fast on the fret, but it's a matter of mastering the whole thing. And here we're laying the foundation for it. Foot and 2-4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to feel relaxed just in this. So the first main priority is that you're comfortable with tune 4 before you even start playing. Get into 2-4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now you feel comfortable. Now you set a first note. Here it's we're on the key of B flat, so we're playing the B flat minor pentatonics or the B flat blues scale. So we just play a first note. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So what did I do? I just played 2 notes on count 1, and in this vibe you already mastered the whole space of 4 bars just by playing a note on the count 1 on B flat blues scale. So the first exercise you can do, you just play 1 note on the first beat. You make 1 note, 1 bar you play the note, the second bar pause, third bar you play again, fourth bar you pause. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Next one. 2, 3, 4. Pause. 3, 1. Pause. Play. Only by doing this very simple thing, you already filled 8 bars. You're the master of the universe. Now we want to, of course, setting the note on the 1 was the most easy exercise. Now we try setting the first note on 1 and the second one on 2. and between we make 1 bar pause. That's going to be rough. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I forgot to say we make the second note long. First short, second long. Okay? One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how you can create a really cool, by the way, violet vibe just by playing these few notes, by mastering time and space with foot and 2/4. That is so important because that gives you this vibe of, you know, being a little bit behind the groove. Now let's do 1 and 3 as an example. Yeah, let's do 1 and 3. You can play around with those counting times, make 1 short, 1 long, or you can do, yeah, let's do this. I make 1 on 1 and the second one on 2, and I keep it till the next one comes again. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You see how even with this very simple thing, you just fill the whole space. Now let's do long notes. You can do the same with long notes, and the first one is long, second one short. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See the effect? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, with these little gimmicks, you can change the whole vibe of a tune. Now let's do a little bit more complicated stuff. Now we make 1. The second one we make two 8 notes and make kind of syncopation. Well, same thing again, 1 and 2. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. You can do this all day long, or now let's do just quarter notes and half notes. Now you can play freely, but you just play quarter notes and half notes. Play half notes on 1 and 3 and quarter notes where you want. And that's going to be a challenge. The foot always comes between, okay? 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we mix up with 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now suddenly starts a sound. And now we try to add 8 notes, and here's a trick to make it pulling back in the phrasing. You just make an accent on the offbeat, so make. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. That's really tough with foot and 2 and 4. Let's do this. Just play something in the blues scale. 2. Just, or you can play blues scale up and down with accent on the offbeat. Well, let's start from the beginning. And always foot and 2, 4. That's the hard part. Yeah, see what happened now? I'm also not really without mistakes, and this will happen a lot to you. The beat turns, that suddenly your foot is on 1 and 3. Always control if your foot is on 2, 4. If you switch to 1, 3, then that ain't good. You need to always monitor this, and that means in my case I was talking while I was showing all this, so this created the mistake because it was too much talking and doing this and this. But then just reduce the level of difficulty that this doesn't happen. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And now it worked. The trick is you have to really train this. We leave this now for today. That the guiding line in your playing is not here. It's the whole system which is set on tune 4. Once you feel comfortable in this, you can start moving around in time and space the way you want. You don't need to count all the time. That's not necessary anymore. As long as you have this vibe, and then you don't have to play all the time. Or you can play a lot of notes if you want. But the main thing is you don't focus on the fret, you focus that you always stay in this kind of pulling back groove, and then the things start to work out automatically. That's a trick, and that's what I want to teach it to you today. And that's why we didn't go to the close view today, because it was unnecessary, because the main thing here is the foot and 2, 4. I cannot tell how important this is. If you want to have a really good phrasing on this, I mean, if you're a fan of this basic type of improvisations, you know, where you control time and space, if you love that type of jazz playing and not the fast noodling, then that's the way to go. And even if you want to play fast tunes later on, like on 240 BPM, you cannot have your foot going on each beat, then you're on 240, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And even there you always need to figure out that you keep your phrasing behind the beat, which is more difficult when it gets faster, of course. But for the moment, it's just keep it on 2/4, and then it's good to go. I'm gonna write down a few examples for you guys. Also learn rhythm notation. I'm really serious about this. There's a rhythm course in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. where you can learn rhythm notation. And this backing track, just the hi-hat on 2/4 with the bass, which is way cooler than just sitting there with your metronome. You can download in the HPCrazy Guitar Community as well. Yo, that's all me and Dr. Pink are having to say for today. I hope you enjoy this. Please subscribe to the channel. Please tell the world that this guitar community exists. We are still small, but we want to grow and have some fun. Guitar as a lifestyle, that's the new motto of the channel. It's coming soon. And please become a premium member in order to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing. Yo, that's about all. See you guys.